Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to bevel correctly in Blender. Okay, so there is one really simple method that I recommend you to know. I use this method so often in my 3D projects in Blender, so I would like to share it with you. First we need to do is go to the left upper corner, and here we need to select another mode. We need to select here edit mode. It is really important to do it, so I click on this one option. And now you can select one from available settings. I recommend you first to select second option. It is edge select. I recommend you to click on this one option. So now you can easily select edge in your object. So for example, I click here, and like you see, the edge has been successfully selected here. And now we need to click combination of keys on your keyboard. We need to use shortcut Ctrl B. After that, you will be able to make bevel in your object. So for example, it will look like that. Let's check how it looks. So this is the effect that you can get from the edge. Of course, you can repeat this action to another edge if you need it. Everything depends on your preferences, yeah? So for example, I click here, I click Ctrl B, and we can get the same effect here. So it is how it works, but let's check how it works with another configuration. So now I recommend you to select this one option. It is face select. So now if you click somewhere here and you will use Ctrl B shortcut again, you will see really great symmetrical effect. It may be really important in different projects, yeah, so like you see, it looks really perfect. Okay, so it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.